avoiding your cuticles area. Just a little bit. And then this, because I prep so well every time I do to clients, even including myself, you see my nails when I'm doing it for 2 weeks, at how much it's grown. Like basically you're barely seeing it. And a lot of my clients are going for 4 weeks. When they come back while we're soaking off for getting a new one, this is just in case you ask. So I'm gonna pick up the monomers, dip it in the monomers and wipe up on one side and pick up that much. And to do it, hold it. And blend it out. The shape, it looks still really nice. Usually I'm gonna check, see if any thinning down part of the nails, I usually build it back. Pick up my other beads, the smaller. Let me go down here. Try to place it right close to the cuticles, and then do not touch the cuticle, and then just gently push it a little bit back, like up to the cuticle, so then you can feel it in, but then without touching anything on the cuticle skin, but then you can still able to get that. It's hard to see it, but I'm working my best that I can show you. And then pick up another bead. You see I'm placing it. Gently put it closer to the cuticle and then blend it down. This is for all beginners who want to learn how to do a fill. Just a clear colors. You're gonna do exactly the same like that if you have a color acrylic. And I don't have to build anything is in on the side because they still look good, just a little bit growing out. So pick up another bead, smaller beads, and get closer to the cuticle, but do not touch. And when the powder is still really nice and wet, you blend it out so it's nice. And make sure I check, so then anything I need to touch it up. This one, it looks good, but sometimes it's too much. I'm gonna pick a different beads. It's really that much. Get close to the cuticle and then blend it out. Just feel just a little bit, just in case, on the free edges. Great. That's all you need. And then I will Double check. Great. So now I'm gonna clean my brush. That's it. When you do fill, it doesn't take so much. When you like this, okay, everybody's technique is different, and all the salon is different as well. With our salon, when it fill, come and fill, it's just like only fill in this part. You didn't have to do whole entire thing. Like you didn't have to like file all the nails off and then put another coat on it. It's not called the fill at all. It's basically the new set. So hi Brooke, how are you? Hey, let's see, who is this? Hey, money back, how are you? So I'm gonna clean my brush, and my brush I'm using number 14 just for your informations. Hi Whitney. Oh, are you ladies asking about this? It's my kabuki brush, if I get it right.